right, so it looks like we got Fortunato coilovers came, so let's unbox this sucker.
What's going on, guys? Isaac here, and today's video, this will be the part one of putting on these new Fortunato coilovers onto my Subaru. This will be a part two video as well. I will make two videos out of this just because it does take a long time just getting the right ride height for the coilovers and setting the preloads and whatnot. But getting all that done will take two videos. So you guys will see the next part two next Friday as well. I will have driving footage of the new coils of it's gonna be night and day difference from the old ones, and you guys will see how the old ones are super worn out because they've been on the car for nearly 12 years. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video.
All right, so this is what comes in the box. We got a lot of stuff here. Looks like a couple stickers in here. Just some tools to put it on, I'm guessing. A little certificate kind of thing for assembly. Pretty cool. We got one of them right here, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna unpack this a little bit more and show you guys what's in here. All right, so I took out all the foam pieces, and now I'm about to take out all the bubble wrap that's in each of the coils. All right, so here's one of the coils. We got Fortunato hand-built suspension right there. Really cool. I kind of like the green and the gray on it. In the Subaru, I kind of do have a very colorful engine bay, and now I'm adding green to the mixture here because I have, see, the old ones were pink. It's a white Subaru. I got black rims. I have red in there. Let's see here. I know I have purple sway bars. I got some blue in there as well. So I'm getting the whole freaking rainbow in the car, which is actually kind of cool though. I do like the green on these. They look really nice. And these are super cold right now because it is negative 12 right now, and these are super cold, but it should almost defrost pretty. Yeah, you can literally see the frost on it, which is, it's not bad, it's all right. But yeah, I should be getting to installing these here pretty soon. All right, so in that last clip, I showed you guys this one right here. This is the back left coil, and so I kind of separated them. So these are the back two coils, and these two are the front coils. You can kind of see the main difference here. This part black is longer, and then also the adjustable parts up here in the front. These parts are a little bit bigger than the back ones, which you're gonna see that for sure. Adjustable as well, hard or soft. You guys can kind of see the differences there. But yeah, these things are super nice. I do like the colors a lot. Gray, they're kind of like a gray and green color, which I think they look pretty dang good for sure. They pop out a lot, which I like. You can also see, yeah, it still has a lot of frost on it because obviously it's winter here in Minnesota, and it's negative 12 right now, and they were sitting outside for a little bit, so they're gonna be a little frosty. So yeah, let's get into tearing out the old ones and putting in the new ones. All right, so before I go ahead and tear apart the old coils and put in the new ones, I'm gonna run through this Fortunato certificate of assembly kind of thing they gave us. I'm just gonna run through what's all in it. All right, so this is what you get in that little pamphlet you get. You got obviously a user guide, how to set it together, some tools to help you along the way. You get a little, basically a certificate for assembly. Shout out to Spencer Reeves for building these. He built these only 3 days ago. I mean, today's February 13th. This video won't be posted for a while, but anyways, 3 days after it's being built, that was pretty fast. And I only ordered these last week or so that's nice. And I got a nice big sticker of Fortunato hand-built suspension, which is super nice. I kind of like the gray and the green as well, as it matches obviously the coils. And then you get a little thank you card and then basically just saying you can get featured if you like unbox them and show photos and whatnot, you know. All right, with that being said, let's get out there and tear out the old suspension and put in the new coils. All right, so we're getting the stuff all set up. We already laid out the coils. We already took out the seat, or the bottom part of the seat. Got the jack here, got the Subaru ready, and we're about ready to go get this done. Blake's just setting up the time lapse right now, so. All right, so a little update. We got both the wheels off. We got jacked up, and then we got some of the bolts out already. We just got to do a little bit more stuff. We lubed up with WD-40 there. We got some extensions and whatnot. Just getting it ready right now. We're gonna stop for today, and then we'll be back tomorrow morning. So we'll see you guys there. All right, so another big update for you guys. I got both the old ones out on the front and the back, as you guys can see. These guys are taking a lot of damage, and I do have some paper towels here because this back one is actually leaking the hydraulic fluid from the piston. This one is very messed. Like this one is super dirty, super rusted, super old, and I already adjusted to get the right ride height, but I'm gonna have to readjust them because I gotta try and get them fitted in here. And some other things is these old bolts look like they got JB welded to fit inside like here, because as you guys can see here, like it's smooth. Right now it's not really that smooth, but it was way worse before because I couldn't even get them out. That's because these people like JB welded them because I don't think they got the right bolts, and now they had to like get extra, like little extra metal in there to make it fit. We got the one in right now. We haven't bolted anything on there, but right here, as you guys can see, very interesting how the Fortunato is facing the opposite way. I'm not doing it wrong, because if I would flip it, have the Fortunato facing here, these two bolts would be here, and then the top one would be here. But that's not right. So I'm not 100% sure what that going on with that. I'm gonna have to look at a video quick, but I got the instructions and whatnot, and I actually had to heat up some of that to get those bolts out, because I had two of them that were very stubborn. And so yeah, next step is getting these two coils in, and I have, well, obviously the front one I already got it aligned in. I gotta adjust the ride height and whatnot, and then get the back one in, and then we'll be on our way to the opposite side. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below some other ideas you guys want us to do in the future. And yeah, hope you guys stay tuned. Part 2 will be next Friday. And yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one.